Okay, today I am going to do a little short video how to clean this bathtub. Okay, this is it hasn't been cleaned in a while because I've been busy, and this is my shower. I'm just going to demonstrate a short video because it's pretty same the method. Little history about this. I actually discovered this by accident. We have a rental property and there was an old tub. It's a porcelain tub, so this is probably the best thing to clean porcelain. Porcelain tub, and I guess the person went on vacation and they left the water inside the tub, so, and it was dirty and it dried up and it was all pitch black like here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the video. Maybe I'll zoom it in a little bit. I'm trying to put it on a tripod so it'll be better. But if you notice, see those little corners right there? See that corner right there? I am telling you, the soap scum's gonna be very hard to take it out. Okay? And it was a little clog in the drain. This is the tub that I'm talking about. It was clogged in the drain, not this one, but a tub that from our rental property. It was clogged in the drain, and the water left there probably about, I don't know, a month. They went on vacation and they didn't come back. And when they came back, it was all over. It was all pitch black. It was hard to get out. I'm actually going to demonstrate it for you, like this patch right here. See that patch right there? Now I'm going to take a sponge. I'm going to do this. And look, even this, you're going to sit here and scrub forever. See that it came up just a little bit? But if you really look really close, there's still some more. See that? Those little spots right there? I zoomed it 4 times, as much as my camera are able to. And you won't be able to get it out. You're going to sit here forever. I am telling you, you're going to sit here forever. If you're going to try to clean this tub, okay? Now I'm going to pan it around a little bit. See that corner right there? All those around there. All around there. And see these black spots right here, which I'm not going to clean it today. I'm just going to show you really quick. I'll clean that later, but you don't need to see that because that's actually caused by the seal from that. And like I said, I haven't cleaned this bathroom in a while because I'm pretty busy. I just jump in, shower, and get out, so I don't really give a hoot if the tub is dirty. All I really care, to be honest, is just this area right here, just where my foot is. You see that? So it's pretty clean there. But anyway, I know the method, just that it takes a while. Not a while, believe it or not, it only take me less than 10 minutes to clean this. And I'm going to show you a method using Drano. Okay? And this is what I discovered. I forgot to tell you the rest of the story. What I did was I just threw Drano in the tub, in the drain. And the surrounding of that came out nice and clean. Of course, the rest is not. But that little corner right there came out all nice and clean. So that's the little story to that, and that's how I discovered this. But anyway, I'm going to try to make this video short. I'm going to pause it, and then I'm going to mix it all up, and then I'm going to show you how to clean this. So hang on. Okay, so I had to get a little water into here, and I'm just going to dump. Don't put too much water, okay, because then you won't get this as effective. You're going to mix it around just a little bit with Drano, okay? And all you have to do is, I'm putting water, it's just that so that way I can touch these and watch. Leave these here. All you have to do is touch it, okay? I'm gonna dump it into here to make things faster. Like I said, this video, it's about fast and quick, okay? Remember that. And I'm trying to do this under a few minutes. So all you have to do is take your brush and just go around and just wet anything that you see black. So in my case, I'm just gonna do this area. I'll do the rest later. But I'm just gonna do this video, just a short video for these for now, okay? Because remember, I'm trying to keep this short. So I'm just gonna do the bottom here. I won't even bother with the top yet. I'll do that afterward. Okay? I'm just gonna, what I'm doing is just wetting it. That's it. Okay? So that's all I'm doing. So I actually wet it right now. So I'm gonna do the bottom part just around here so you can see how nice and clean it's gonna be. Sorry, holding a camera and holding this is not, it's not that good. Holding a camera and doing it at the same time, it's gonna be a little bouncy. And the bathroom, my bathroom's actually really small. I only have a standing shower here in my room, so it's not a full size. I'm adding this in. It's a full size shower tub, but this has a seat and everything, but I have never used that seat. Isn't that funny? My whole freaking life I haven't used that seat. I think maybe once or twice, to be honest. But anyway, that's it, okay? Remember, I just wet it, okay? I'm just doing a little extra here, but you don't have to do anything extra. I just want to make sure all the stuff is being wetted, okay? Basically, you could just tap it if you want. Okay, and that's it. Now, if you want to do the rest of the tub, you can use the same thing and do up here, but I'm going to shorten the video so that way I don't put too much time in this video to watch. I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna show you afterward, okay? Because we have to wait about, I would say 10 minutes. So I'm gonna come back in 10 minutes. Okay, I'm back. I'm kind of pissed because I've lost the footage there. I thought I pressed recorded and it's usually the display that says recorded, but I must have overlooked, and I record the rinsing part, and I did scrub it a little bit. I'm not gonna lie to you or anyone, I don't need to. In the grooves, if you noticed, see these little grooves right here, okay? I'm gonna get away from the shadow, because these are just casting shadow, really. Let me see if I have a better lighting. Oh, here we go. That's my hand shadows from the light, but look at this right here. Oh my God, stupid shadows. Oh, I'm gonna pan it out, and I'll go in a little bit. Maybe you can see. There's only a little bit left, okay? These are the groove that if you have grooves in your tub, it will not. It probably will come out, but you're gonna have to leave it for a while or even a second coat. To speed that up, you're gonna need a scrubbing pads like this, and just scrub it lightly. And look, gone. Let's see. You see that? Gone. Now, here's another part right there. These little grooves right here. Gone. You see that? It's because somehow the Drano softened these things. Okay? I get them on here too. These little specks actually came from the sponge. It's coming off, see? All those little green specks. It's actually coming off from the sponge. I'm gonna zoom this out. That is not a dirt. These are just from the sponges, see? Okay? Right there. So, in the end, if you have a little bit left, you will need this. Now, if you don't believe me in this video, here's what you can do. Take Drano, put just around here, and use the same method like I did, and just wet it all around here. If you look really close, it actually cleaned the pipe too. I wish I showed that earlier. You see those little scum left right there? Little black things left, but it'll clean that pipe too. Anything with plastic. Now look, see stainless steel stuff? You have to remember I did this earlier. Remember, you cannot. I'm gonna give you some tips because like I said, I lost my videos there, but I'm gonna give you some tips. Okay, when it comes to anything to do with stainless steels or plastic coating like those, don't let it dry. Remember, do not let this stuff dry up, okay? The reason why for that is just when it dries up, it leaves this white film and it's harder to clean out. I've rinsed everything. If you can see, there's a lot of shadows in here. But if you can see this white stuff, I'm going to try to get from the shadow. If you see those white stuff, you see how white that is? Especially this area right here that I told you earlier. See, now my camera changes because the freaking light. But if you look at it, those are actually from the there's some stuff here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to rinse it. So that way you can see. Okay. I'm going to try to hold the camera and do this at the same time. I'm going to get all those stuff out so you can see how nice this is. Okay. Done. Look at that. Nice and clean. Especially this area right here, and like I said, those are my shadows. Maybe I can shut off the light or something to see it. I hate this thing because I do have a small bathroom and it's really hard to get away from the shadows. But like I said, if you don't believe me, test in that area. Test in that area and you will see. Okay? Remember that. Use that area right there and test it out. And you will see what I'm talking about. Just 10 minutes. Take 10 minutes of your time. And put Drano in your drain pipe. Not in it, but just around here. And if you see your pipe is becoming clean like that, right in there, all the way in there, you see them come out like clean like that, then you know it'll clean everything in here. So that's a tip for you. And if you don't believe me, that's what you would do. Now, you cannot, and I repeat, you cannot use any Drano, okay? I've tried everything. The only one that will work is the Drano Max Gel. Remember that, okay? It will not work with anything. I have done so many things from comets to... I've tried so many things out there. And it does not work. The only thing that will work is Drano. Now here's another thing. Do not let a Drano dry. If Drano dries, it'll eat into these things. And it'll leave a white film on it and it's harder to get out. So always make sure to rinse it wet, like 10 minutes, 15, 20 minutes max. 20 minutes if you have mixed with water. 10 minutes max is all I'm gonna, maybe 20, maybe 15, I'm gonna suggest you to do. If you have to, put a second coat on it to get the stuff out. But once these are loosened, you can use like scrabble pad like that, and you can get it out easily instead of sitting here hours or 30 minutes, 40 minutes, even an hour to scrub all this stuff. Let Drano to help you. So put Drano, like rub Drano all over the place, come back in 10 minutes and test it out and watch it to see if it's actually still wet. Another thing, if you notice, my fan is on. That's very important. You have to put your fan on because these stuff is harsh. Like this right here, I just saw something right here. I'm going to show you. See these right here? This little corner, there's still some there because the soap, see, comes right off. And right here, that's perfect area for you. Watch, gone. And that's all I have to do is scrub a little bit. That's all I have to do, just like that. See, and it's gone. I'm just doing extra right here. But I don't have to. If it has to, put Drano in again. Okay, I'm just being anal right now. But put it in again. And if you have to, rinse extra. Okay? That's all you have to do. So remember that. Remember the tips. Don't try anything else. I've done everything I could. Rack all my brain, blah 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 blah. Drano Max Gel. Don't try any other stuff on the market. Just that, clean up your tub. If you have questions like, oh, does it clean stainless steel? Yes, it does. Clean stainless steel. But you cannot leave it on until it's dry. Same thing again. You cannot leave it dry, okay? It actually cleans stainless steel even faster than plastic. I've tried it on porcelain. I've tried it on marbles. I've tried it on they think called, I don't know what the kind of sink, the kitchen sink they call accordion, something like that. I can't think of in my head right now. I can't think on top of my head right now, but that will work, that as well. Plastic, just be careful a little bit. Make sure to test it first. If there's a special coating on that, test it first before you actually will do this. Like I said earlier in my earlier video, it actually took the coating off on one of the tubs. So cheap shower tub, blah blah blah. Plus it's cheap anyway, right? But if it's cheap stuff, that will be up to you on that, because they actually make them cheaper now, and they actually put this cheap ass coating on it, and it comes right off. But expensive tubs like these won't. Porcelain, it is great for porcelain. It is great for stainless steel or brushed nickel steel, but you cannot let it dry. And once again, I'm going to tell you the last thing before I end this video. Do not let it dry. Okay? Other than that, that's about it.